Welcome to the Luxury Halal Soap Factory.
Fresh roses are harvested at their peak.
Only the finest petals are selected. Shea trees provide one of nature's finest ingredients. Only ripe shea fruits are selected. Fresh aloe vera begins its natural journey. Every leaf is harvested with care. Premium castor plants are ready for harvest. Only mature seed pods are collected. The finest olives begin their journey here.
All right, the shaker is slowing down. Prepare to move to the next one.
Adjusting the nets now. We are ready when you are.
Ripe fruit is harvested with care. Fresh fruit moves to the collection point. Fresh palm fruit reaches the processing mill. The fresh harvest travels to the oil mill. The harvest begins its journey to production. Premium olives are prepared for transport. Steam prepares the fruit for extraction. The harvest is unloaded automatically. Only the best olives continue forward. The seeds are cleaned before extraction. Premium ingredients arrive for production. Steam gently extracts the precious rose oil. Pure palm oil flows from the fresh fruit. The purified oil is stored for production. The soap mixture blends smoothly.
The viscosity readings on the new batch are holding steady.
Good. The AI adjustments seem to have optimized the flow rate. Natural fragrances are blended with perfect precision.
The soap base is mixed until perfectly smooth.
The soap base is ready for molding.
Pure natural oils flow into the mixing system. The soap base enters the molding system. Every mold is filled with perfect accuracy. The soap cools before cutting. Precision blades shape every soap bar. The surface is polished to perfection. soft brushes create a flawless finish. Every edge is carefully smoothed. The finished bars move to final inspection. Powerful air removes every fine particle. Robots align every soap bar perfectly. Advanced sensors inspect every soap bar. Only perfect bars move forward. Every surface is carefully inspected.
All measurements are within tolerance. See the thickness here. Confirmed. Precision is spot on.
Every bar is checked for exact weight.
Moisture levels are carefully verified.
The foam quality is automatically tested. Each soap bar is wrapped with precision. Every package is securely sealed. Robots load every soap into its carton. Every carton is closed with precision. Every package is verified before shipping. Every shipping carton is securely sealed. Robots stack every carton with precision. Robots fill every master carton precisely. Protective film secures every pallet.
Finished products enter the warehouse.
Every shipment is loaded with care. Thank you for visiting the Halal Factory. Sanitization prepares the factory for the next batch. Every machine is cleaned after production. Premium halal soap begins its journey worldwide.